Hello friends, welcome to Program Bits. Today we are going to learn how to write a function in Python. There are various types of options available in this Python functions and we are going to see one by one how this function can be used in our programs. Let's get started. A function basically means it's a block of code which runs when it is called from a calling function. You can pass some parameters inside the function so that it uses it as an input to process the statements inside. A function can return a data as a result. So this is the basic definition of a function. We have a function named program bits. Def is the keyword used to define a function. And inside a function, you have a print statement which says hello from program bits. You can see the indentation after definition. So it means that the print statement is inside the program bits function. Next, you have the function calling. So you have the same function which we saw in the last slide available, and we are calling that function below as program bits open bracket close bracket, so that we call the function. Once we call the function, we get the output inside the function. Function with arguments. The arguments are the inputs you pass inside a function. In this program, we have a function called program bits. It passes, it has a parameter or argument called fname. So it gets the value from the function calling and it uses inside the function. So below we have the function calls prog underscore bits. We are passing the gym in the first statement, and the second statement we are passing jack as input, and in the third statement we are passing Jill as input. So the program output will be gym program bit name will be the first output, and for the second one jack prog underscore bit name will be the second output, and third Jill and Jill program underscore bit name will be the third output. Why we are getting this prog underscore bit name concatenated is we are using the concatenation operator plus in the print function. So the output will be Jim, Jack and Jill concatenated with prog underscore bit name. So functions with two arguments. Instead of one argument fname in the previous slide, we are passing two arguments in this program. So the two arguments we are passing in the function are first name and last name. And inside function we are passing print first name concatenation a space concatenation and last name. So the output we get will be Jack space Jill. Next we have something called arbitrary argument. So this arbitrary argument will be used when we do not know how many parameters will be passed in the function definition. So in this program we are using star fruits as arbitrary argument. We do not know how many inputs come inside, so we use that star fruit, and we are trying to print fruit with index 2. The index 2 will be apple will be in the index 0, orange will be in the index 1, fig will be in the index 2. So the answer will be fig. The output printed will be the last fruit in the basket is fruit 2, that is fig. Then the default parameter, we have a sample program here, def prog underscore bits is the program name, and we have the default parameter called fruit is equal to banana. Banana is the default parameter. So inside function we are printing a statement, I love the fruit. The input fruit will be printed. So first time I'm passing apple, second time I'm passing cherry, third time I'm passing nothing. So this time banana will be printed as a default value, and fourth time I'm printing fig. So the answer will be I love apple, I love cherry, I love banana, and I love fig. So these will be the output for the program displayed. Passing a list as argument. You can also pass a list as an argument in function. So here is an example. Def prog underscore bits. So we are defining a function named prog underscore bit, and we are passing a parameter named any arg. So inside the function I'm using a for loop to display the values inside any arg. So any arg is a list. So what we are doing is we are printing the values inside the list one by one. We have a list called fruits. Inside fruit we have the elements apple, banana, and cherry. So we are calling the function prog underscore bits, and we are passing the fruit list. So once we pass it, it will display apple, banana, and cherry. Next is return values. So you can use a keyword called return inside a function to return the output to the console or to the calling function in the program. So here you have a definition. The function name is prog underscore bits underscore add, and we are passing a value called x as argument. And in the calling function we are passing values 1, 2, and 3. So 3 times we are calling the function and we are passing 1, 2, and 3. The outputs will be 5 plus 1, that is 6, 5 plus 2, that is 7, and 5 plus 3, that is 8.